Hey, Mungo. Remember to look around while walking by the road. Hey, watch out! Wow, that was close. Are you okay, Mungo? Oh, what is that?
Fire truck!
What a beautiful fire truck. Come on, Mungo. The fire truck wants you to get in. Oh, that door is really high. Let's find something to help you. Oops, not all shapes work for stepping on. Can you all help Mungo choose a good shape to stand on?
Cuboid!
Yes, the cuboid. Go ahead and give it a try. Great job! Now, fire truck, go!
Faster!
All right, let's go faster.
Faster! Faster!
Do you all want the fire truck to go even faster?
Yes! Faster!
Here we go! Watch out for the rock. Oh no, the fire truck's wheel is broken. Let's find something to make a new wheel. Oh dear, a triangle can't be a wheel. Can you help Mungo find the best shape for a wheel?
Circle!
Yes, the circle. Great job! What a strong wheel! Oh no, there's a fire. Quick, fire truck. Let's go. Oh no, there's a big hole in the bridge. We need to fix it first. Let's find some shapes to patch it up. Which shape can fit the hole? Is it the red one, yellow one, blue one, or green one?
Yellow!
Yes, the yellow one. Perfect. Now, let's cross the bridge and put out that fire. That's a big fire. Mango, raise the water cannon. Now, let's all shout, left.
Left.
Awesome. Now shout, middle.
Middle.
Keep going. Let's shout, right.
Right.
Hooray, the fire is out. Thanks to everyone. You're all amazing firefighters.